Today's a big day, bro.
Yeah.
Getting ready to tow the car. We got Nacho here. I'm gonna go say hello before he gets all tripped out. I got a camera in his face.
Piece in there inside the corner. I cannot find it. That took me like fucking 3 hours and I cannot find it. You know, please tell me where they at. Filipino guy is, oh yeah, it's right here too. I popped the hood. I said, okay, can you open it? Yeah, open it. The fucking guy by the car never opened the fucking front of the car. I don't even know why they got there. You know, like oh fuck. Hey, I break the fucking hood. I said, no, fucking joking. I cannot pull my fucking hand. I said, what are you talking about? I cannot pull the hand. I have to push the hood so I can take my hand out. I said, no, you fucking joking. No. I show him the fucking crap from here to here.
What the fuck?
I said, don't worry, it's under warranty.
Yeah.
Piece of shit car.
I don't eat too much tacos.
Okay.
I got body by carne asada burrito. Alright, brakes work alright? Alright. That might have been the first time the cars rolled.
Yeah, we never rolled a car yet. Not too bad, bro. It looks darker in the sun.
Try this one in the fucking house, okay?
Don't try it at home.
Don't try home. It's dangerous.
It's moving though. It works, but it moved.
You brake?
You brake, yeah.
Damn, this thing sits wide on this trip. There you go. That shit's so crazy. You just slide the fucking car over, dude.
Why do we even have the trailer? Could you just carry it over?
Yeah, no shit. How did you just moving the fucking car over like that, dude? This fucking guy.
Did I just see that shit?
I told you he lifted up the back end, dude.
Like I saw that video of the guy doing squats and he was lifting the back of his Civic.
But that was a
like,
gutted ass Civic.
I need to take the handbrake so I can go.
Now Nacho's gotta swap the motor on my Lexus. And we still gotta put in the 300 diff with the yoke puller.
It's you?
Yeah, well, you swear I cheat on you? I get other mechanics?
Uh-huh.
You're the only mechanic I got with. It's either I do it myself 3 times until I figure out how to do it for reals, or I call you to fix it.
And then fucking call me and crying for the price. It's cheaper.
Shit.
That's K20 for. What do you think? The guy told me like in 20 minutes. I saw the guy video. Yeah, but the fucking motor is out of the car, motherfucker. Come and take the motor and I do it outside, you know.
From our top dead center, give us the valve adjustment because the Type S cams. Just double check our work. 4-wheel alignment. Toyo proxy 888s for track tires. Make us a new straight pipe to make the header work to the exhaust, and then put on our new muffler.
You got that NVIDIA muffler or some shit?
Nah, it's Vibrant.
Vibrant.
Yeah, Vibrant muffler.
That's
It's all
that flat
blacked
black
out.
one. Now it's gonna look good on there.
Yeah, so
and we can tuck it up higher too.
Back end will finally look the way it's supposed to look, and then dyno tuning once that's all done.
And that's big. It's so hilarious that you can barely keep up with this guy.
I mean, I can keep up just fine. It's just right now.
I'm just saying, like, watching you, trying to keep up with him, and he's bobbing and weaving through traffic, and you keep doing dumb shit like slamming on your brakes and accelerating all hard. It's
Just because he's making fucking changes. I'm not.
I don't think he's hit his brakes once since he got on the fucking truck.
Might be true. Then again, maybe. Are we confident there's even
brake lights?
Yeah.
Doubt it. So yeah, you guys get off the freeway. If you guys want to go to CarTune, you want to exit on Claremont Mesa. Whether you're going the 805 or the 15, it's in the middle. And then make a left at Cheetahs. I've never been to Cheetahs though.
Oh, really? I remember I went there with Cheetahs is the one place, so usually you only have to tip every dancer, you know, if you sit at the stage.
Yeah.
And we always sit in the back. And so a lady walked over and she's like, she wanted tips from everybody for her dance. And she looked at Platy and goes, "Didn't you see me naked?" He's like, "Yeah." "Well, aren't you gonna tip me?" I wasn't impressed.
Fucking Platy.
And I handed her $1 to go, "Hey."
Here's $1. Kick rocks.
Is she with like some Amazon?
It's official. We got signals.
Yeah.
It's got turn signals.
It does have brakes. Or brake lights.
And brake lights.
Don't make us
Keep
push it
going
over
that
there.
way. CarTune.
Is he even gonna be able to get out of here?
Yeah, he will. He'll bust the right here. Pulling behind like the CRX or the Civic right here.
It's on.
It's a little sticky over there.
Hey, don't tip on the safety shit, right? Balance shaft delete, it's got the block rocker, it's got an ECI harmonic balancer on it. So everything has been made to reduce rotating mass and hopefully take off. I mean, we're hoping.
This is a fresh gasket, right, on the valve cover?
Brand new.
It's on
Okay,
valve cover,
so
fake manifold.
that's where we'll start. We'll start with a valve adjustment, and we'll verify your timing, do the valve adjustment. Then we'll get it in the air, I'll get your wheels off, I'll mount your tires. You want them on the spoons, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And I have a test pipe, and I just got to change it to
You're missing shit?
Weight reduction, man.
Both of those bolts are
done up inside, or is it all stock?
Yeah. No, it's totally
No.
gutted with the plenum. So it's got the Roscoe 1-inch plenum instead of the.
butterflies.
It's also
So
got
we-
the block-off plate from the IVAC and the EGR. So that,
But we
I know that
have
only really
ported and polished
with
the manifold ourselves, not really knowing with a lot of YouTube fucking videos. So
Yeah,
this,
we don't. This generally
Yeah, we
is
just
matched.
gutted it all out.
You just match it to the gasket.
Yeah.
on
no,
the
yeah,
side.
we did that.
That's
No,
all you
But
do.
I'm saying the
Port
entire,
match,
yeah.
the entire like top plenum is shaved down and
Yeah,
nothing.
it no longer has the
no
8-port.
webbing
Get all our knowledge on YouTube and stupid Honda forums.
Yeah.
And you know, those guys are all pros and they know everything.
Yeah.
All right, we got the coilovers. We're going to go with the buddy clubs instead of the D2s that we got.
Let's just double check our shit.
And the buddy clubs are going to get swapped out, like I was saying. Needless to say, I always wanted the buddy clubs, but we don't know shit about anything. Otherwise, I would have put up an argument with Fro, but I didn't know any fucking solution. Pho? Pho, yeah. Tommy, and some boba up in here. That's fucking good.
Car works on Japanese cars.
Yeah, they work on it.
Yeah.
Bushing's starting to get stretched from.
Yeah. Hit that one up. These were either on eBay or that are a lot bigger.
Nah, I'm not gonna sneak up on you like that.
Well, I'm alright with paying my dues though.
This should be already preset for your car, actually, the height.
Mr. Brian did in here?
So curious as to what he fucked with on that ECU, dude.
7,200 on the rev limit.
I didn't change it.
Yeah, keep it.
Stock cams?
No.
Like that.
Oh.
85 is like pushing.
No,
80,
it's at 72 right now.
Oh.
So we can go like
82.
7.
ATI damper.
Oh, I gotta fucking plumb in the wideband, dude.
Yeah. It's not.
I gotta.
Plugged in.
It's not plumbed into the ECU though.
I need to run the white wire to 810.
Oh yeah, TPS looks like it's not calibrated right.
No, we never even did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we took it off the stock one and plugged it on that and never even.
The Type S or the
Yeah.
Internal.
Got spark. Weak, but it's got spark.
That's a lot of work.
Weird.
Somewhere in this area.
Somewhere around the front of the car.
Focused, right?
Yeah.
Fucking problem.
That's it. All we gotta do is everything else.
The spark is really weak.
Yeah. Looks like a gun, like a
Julian!
fake toy.
So, you drive your Accord today?
Yes, I did. You gotta harvest some parts.
No, you have an
Internal.
He has an internal coil, right? You have an internal coil?
Yes, because
Well, I got a prelude outside.
See, I got
Prelude.
the
One
extra,
prelude outside.
Does it have that distributor?
because there's internal and external distributors.
Yeah,
Like,
the
yeah.
internal.
Oh, it's external.
But Julian's isn't.
Oh, okay. Yeah, VIP, you get to park right upstairs. Right there. Oh, sorry. Hitching up there. It was time for a new one.
See what he just did? Wait as fuck up. Come on, man. Wait as fuck up.
It's time for a new one.
Weight savings right there.
Slam it.
You want a piece of wire?
I didn't need that.
Okay, hold on. You can go ahead and put this distributor back on Julian's car.
Yeah.
That wasn't it.
What's up? They look good, man. Tires. Now it's time to really clean these wheels up, you know?
Yeah.
I don't even. Finally.
Yeah, we're good, dude.
Nice. All for the fire and cylinder, bro. Tailpipe. Don't look bad. Yeah, with like no battery power left.
Fire in the hole.
Holy shit.
Where are we at, RP?
But it's a CRX alternator. So we can get enough gap to do the full-size radiator. For this one, it's Underfunded Garage. That's our little YouTube channel and
On Instagram?
Instagram too.
Oh, okay.
And then it'll kind of stay there.
Ooh, listen to that. Just purring. You just raised the rev limiter 1,000.
Which is off right now. And they're on.
Sounding steady, bro.
Yeah.
Almost ready to chase CRXs around.
Wow. Yeah, that's on the tire. No.
We gotta camber it more.
Yeah, if you have that.
Just look at meats.
That shit's gonna stick to the fucking ground. It does look like meats, but it's supposed to do stuff, not look stuff.
No, I like it. No, I'm not saying bad at all.
Hey, but for fucking rattle can paint job, bro, that shit look pretty good.
Fucking idle, man. We're there.
We're fucking driving, bro. Now it just needs to get tuned to get most out of it.